In today's video, I will teach you next level editing that will greatly enhance your editing abilities. I will teach you how to edit using the AI tool which will enable you to do your editing in minutes and take it to the next level. So without further ado, let's start our video. For that, you need to go Adobe Firefly, which is currently in its beta form. The link for it is in the description. You can also visit the website. After going to Adobe Firefly, the first thing you need to do is sign up. You can sign up using your Google account. Once you have signed up, you will see an interface like this. From here, we will need to click on generator fill option because we will be using it for our editing. However, we will do our main editing later. Right now, I am doing the main picture editing to teach you. Make sure to watch till the end because you will enjoy it. You will get to see amazing editing in this video. Here, I will select the area in this picture where I want to make some changes. I want to replace the blue shirt in this area because I don't like it. So, I will type blue shirt in the prompt and it gives me 4 different types of blue shirt designs. I will select the one I like. Then I will select the microphone from here and type flower in the prompt to get different flower shapes. But I will type shower here because I want a shower in this area. It gives me 4 different types of showers which are amazing. I will select the dies and type wash basin in the prompt because I want to replace the wash basin here. It gives me 4 different types of wash basins. I will select one and type bathroom tiles here because I want bathroom tiles for the interior of a bathroom. It has provided me with 4 options and I will select the one I like. Then I will type mirror in the prompt. It has given me different types of mirrors. I will choose one. You can compare both pictures. Now if you want to create a scenery or anything else, you can do that too. For that, you need to upload a white background. Here I have selected a white background because I want to create something of my choice. I have selected this area and typed volcano in the prompt. It has provided me with 4 types of volcanoes. I will select one for my picture. Then I will select this area and type dark sky in the prompt. It has given me 4 options for the sky and I will choose one that matches the scene. Now let me show you another scene. Here I will select this area and type valley in the prompt. It has given me 4 options for valleys. I will select one and then select this area. I will type blue sky with sunshine in the prompt again. It has provided me with 4 options for the sky and I will select one. You can see how well our scene is coming along. I will select this area and type hearts because I want hearts in this area. You can see how beautiful our scene has been created in just few minutes or seconds. This is how we can create amazing scenery using the Adobe Firefly tool. Next, we have a bowl of cherries. I will select the cherries in this area and type ice cream in the prompt. You can see how realistically it has created the ice cream. It looks like a real picture as if it was taken with a camera. If you click on the background, the entire background will be selected. There is no need to select background separately. Now, I will select this area and type topping with cherries in the prompt because I want cherries as topping. You can see how well it has created the cherries for me. I will select this area because I want waffle toppings. You can see how well our picture has come together with these edits. Looks like real picture. Can't tell it was created using AI. You can also download it by clicking the download option. Next, we have a bowl of tomatoes. I will select the tomatoes in this area and type fruits in the prompt. You can see how realistically it has created. You can see how well our picture has transformed with these edits. You can see the difference between the original picture and the edited one. It has completely changed and you can enjoy the results. Finally, we are editing the main picture, which is the highlight of this video. This is why we named it 10 out of 10. We will edit this picture in a way that takes editing to the next level. I am selecting this area because I want to change the dress. I will type fairy type frog in the prompt and it gives me 4 options for fairy type frogs. I will select the one I like the most. Then I will select the umbrella because I want to change it too. I will type transparent flower type umbrella in the prompt. It matches perfectly with the frog and looks amazing. By clicking on the background, the entire background will be selected, eliminating the need for separate background selection. Now I will select this area and prompt around. Look at how perfectly it has generated the background. However, there was a mistake. The umbrella we had was transparent, so it merged with the background and disappeared. But that's not a problem. We will create the umbrella again. First, let's select the background. We have already selected the background for our picture. Now let's decrease the brush size a bit because we are going to create the umbrella. We will set the brush size to 9 for easier umbrella creation. In the prompt, I will type fairy tale type umbrella because I want fairy tale themed umbrella. It has generated 4 types of umbrellas for us to choose one from. You can select the one you like the best. However, none of these umbrellas seem to be suitable, so I can create another one if needed. But for now, I will select this umbrella and then select this area where I want flowers. I want cute and lovely flowers around the umbrella, so I will type pink flowers in the prompt. It has created pink flowers around the umbrella, which looks beautiful. Now I will select this area for creating jewelry. I will type diamond jewelry in the prompt. It has given us matching jewelry options. I will select one. Next I will select this area for creating hairstyle. I want a fairy tale hairstyle, so I will type fairy tale type hairstyle in the prompt. This will generate a fairy tale inspired hairstyle. I will click to confirm the selection in this area. Now I will type butterflies in the prompt. It has created beautiful butterflies for us. Now let's compare the edited picture with the original one. You can see a significant difference and excellent editing has been done. You can easily achieve this level of editing in your picture with the help of AI tools. You don't need advanced skill, just level up your editing. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.